Okay, so ito, some common pitfalls and cultural considerations once we do itong ating 5 steps in HCD. Ayan. Okay, ito yung mga no-nos na kailangan nating iwasan, no, pag naggagawa tayo ng redesign. Number 1, again, I think we have already established this earlier. Let us not consult only the management. No, we consult all stakeholders. Okay? Ayan. Kasi ang decision making, I believe, and I strong believe, hindi lang yan nangyayari sa taas. Okay? Dapat nangyayari yan sa buong organizational chart. Mhm. And with human-centered design, di ba? It's better that we start with the people. It's better that we start at the bottom. We need to hear yung voice ng ating frontliners. Okay, what else? Ayan. Mistaking silence for agreement. Ito, managers, if we have managers here, isipin po natin to. Sometimes kasi when we ask, no, is there any objections? Diba? After na meeting. Is there any objections? May mga gusto po ba kayong sabihin? Are there other matters that you want to discuss? Diba? Again, di ba we have this HIA culture? Hmm. Sasabihin, okay naman po sir. Sige po sir. Yan. Sometimes we mistake yung silence ng ating employees for agreement. We think na gusto na nilang mag-agree kasi ayaw lang nilang magsalita. Dun sa empathize stage natin, we have established na lalabas lang ang mga hinaing ng ating empleyado sa informal setting. So if we had a formal meeting, let's not mistake yung silence for agreement. It's a no-no. Okay. What else? We treat this as a one-time project only. No? Para pakita lang, uy, may ginagawa kami para magbago yan. Eventually, after 6 months or after 1 year, babalik na naman tayo sa luma nating gawain. And when it comes to HCD, hindi po yan one-time project only. Okay? It should be sustainable pang matagalan. Okay? Mm. What else? Ito usually maling ginagawa ng mga organizations eh. Digitalization. If you digitize a broken process, it's still broken. Di ba? For example, dun sa leave form. Okay, balik tayo dun sa leave form. Balik tayo sa original scenario natin. Yung leave form, 4 ang signatories. I-digitize natin, gawin nating online. Di ba? Naging online siya, pero ganun pa rin yung problem. 4 yung signatories, pag 2 yung naka-leave, it will take weeks or months before it get approved. Nakita nyo na? So yung digitalization, it's not a solution. Di ba? It's not a solution for a broken process. And I believe na experience natin yan. Di ba? Kung ginawa nilang online yung process, kung bulok pa din, sorry for the term, kung may mali pa din, mabagal pa din. Di ba? Naging online siya. And that is the rule here. Huwag mo nang i-digitize before ayusin yung problema. Ayan. Ang pangit pa dito, once na yung na-digitalize natin yung process, ang sisisihin na natin is the system. Di ba? Well, in fact, ang problem naman is yung process in the first place. Sabihin natin, kunyari may maling nangyari, uy, kasalanan ng system yan eh. Di ba? Yun na yung sinisisi natin. Rather, kasalanan nung process in the first place. Okay, and next. Ayan. Oh, ito na. Yung resistance and stubbornness. Ayan. Yung resistance, I mean, parang sinasabi natin na ano yan eh, na stubbornness. Ayaw mo lang magbago eh, no? Gusto mo lang bumalik dun sa luma. May purpose kung bakit ayaw we implement ng mga employees yan, no? We see them as a signal. Okay? That's a data. It's not defiance eh. It means that hindi na solusyonan nung problem. Di ba? Kaya ayaw i-implement ng mga tao. Hindi na solusyonan yung problem. Baka kailangan nating balikan yung 5-stage process natin. Baka we need to improve kung ano yung process na gusto nating i-implement. Okay? Ayan. Kaya minsan, kung nag-i-implement tayo ng something new, di ba, sa ating mga organizations, ayaw i-implement, ayaw gawin ng mga empleyado, therefore, it's a signal na hindi human-centered. Di ba yung process na gusto nating implement? Remember, the purpose of human-centered design is to make the lives easier, di ba, for people. Okay? Ayan. Okay, this is a big no-no. Sometimes we skip yung first part ng HCD process kasi napakatagal eh. You cannot observe kung ano yung problema or you cannot know the problem ng broken process in one day. Usually, it will take weeks or take months. It will take too long. Pero nagiging problem to ng mga manager. Ayoko masyadong matagal. Sabi nila, it takes too long. Skip na natin yung empathize na yan. Punta na tayo sa second step. Now, in HCD process, we should not, skip yung empathizing stage.